Hey, it's Tom Gallagher, the Videopreneur. Check it out, 2025 Airstream International 27FB Queen. The FB stands for front bedroom, and this one has a little something special, a little something. It has the rear hatch. So this rear hatch opens, you have a full screen, and it allows a lot of ventilation inside. Really opens up the inside, especially if you want to let me get in out of the wind, especially if you back up to mountains or a stream, a lake, something picturesque. Can you imagine opening up that rear hatch? And here is the screen that drops down. And talk about letting the inside or the outside in. Very, very nice. So again, 27 FB Queen, as you can see down the hallway, and it is an international. And I'll show you the bedroom and all the goodness here in a moment. So we have a 3-burner cooktop. We have microwave oven. Here we have a total slide-out cabinet for dry goods, so you can fit pancake mix, cereals, canned goods. Plenty of space up here. And then across the hallway, we have these double cabinets. So in the 25 FB, you have a single cabinet. In the 27, as you can see here, we have the double cabinet, freezer, refrigerator, cabinet above. Not a lot of room, but great place to put some items that don't always get used, but you do need. Then we have a shower. We have your clothesline to drip dry your towels or swimwear, whatever it might be. As we swing around and take a look at the bathroom, we have sliding cabinets. Then we have a cabinet below the sink, and then also the lift up medicine cabinet. So the big difference between the 27 FB Queen and the 27 FB Twin, naturally on the Queen you have cabinets on both sides. I'll go ahead and show you. So there's storage there. And then on the Twin we have a single nightstand in the middle with a drawer. But where you really get the difference, if you're tall, you want to go with the Twin, and I'll show you why. This is a Queen. So in a Twin, the twin bed goes all the way up against that wall. So you get the full length bed. And before I was saying I thought it was a 5-inch increase. It might be 7 or 9 inches difference. But you also get the cabinet on the twin size bed on both sides. On the Queen, you can't have a cabinet because you have to be able to move around the bed. Here we have a flat screen TV. Flat screen TV is in the same place whether it's a Twin or whether it's a Queen. But if you look right here, you can tell you need to have the cabinets out of the way in order to move around as I'm doing right now. So that's the big difference between the 27 FB Twin and the 27 FB Queen. Either way, if you have the rear hatch, you're living large. So again, this is offered by Bill Thomas Camper in Wentzville, Missouri. I've got a link below for new, used, service, and parts. Thanks again. If you have any questions, you can also watch one of my videos. Just look for a 25 or a 27 FB Twin, and you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. Thanks again for watching. Leave a comment, question below, and we'll catch you on the next video.